Conti, che sei la mia passione, io parlo del mattone.
What the fuck? A cartina of broken parlando utterances, punctuated by sighs, was the sound of the river Harlow passing through the Tuscan countryside that evening, as we lay on a grass bank, turning our hands in the awful water, as if we are students again, just each checking down from Paris, and as if this dreamed reenactment must have the same ending again as the first time. We returned to the same pensione and made love in the same camera to the dark tremolo of the same doves. Only this time our lips not shake